Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how to navigate our class and do it in a way that is easy and for you to get all of the information. So first I'm going to go up to student view right here. So this is what you should see when you look at Canvas on your computer. If you look on it on your phone, it's gonna look a little bit different, but I always want you to go through modules. So even on the phone or on the computer, you're gonna go over here to this modules button. You can also access the modules down here with this button right here. When I say start here, that is going to take us to the orientation, which is in the modules. You can see that. So when you come in here first, you're going to click on the very first page, Welcome to ECE 1, and you're going to read this information and go to next. You're going to get the next page, you're going to read that and go to next. Each page will show you that you have completed the assignment and go back out to modules or completed the page when it gives you a check mark over here. If you don't have a check mark, it means you haven't viewed that page. There are also a couple of assignments in the orientation module, so you want to make sure you get those assignments done as well. Once you've completed orientation, you can close the module right there, or you can always open it again if you want to go back in and see what was the crush pantry, how do I use the tutorial center. You can go back in here and click on here and get the information that you need. So right here, I'm going to close it, and then introductions. You're going to go into week 1. This video is going to sit here. You're going to do your checklist for the week. You will always have a checklist of things that you need to get done. And here's the first assignment, big assignment for introductions. You're going to submit a Flipgrid introduction post. Here's a getting to know you survey. You're going to click on the take the survey and take that there. So if you work your way through each of the modules, you can see that the checklist, they were viewed, but I did not do this assignment, so I must submit the assignment to get that check mark. And that is how you use the class. If you have any other questions, I want to make sure too that you will have announcements. I need to make that available here, but you will have announcements. When you have your first announcements will show up here, and you can click on announcements. They will also show up at the very top of this home page. And if you set your notifications to get your announcements, you will get them on your email as well. Let me know if you have any questions.